about our appliances. Yeah. So next time we'll move to the stove, and the other time we will move to the fridge. Okay. So thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in my next video. Go ahead and subscribe, so when I come on live, you will see me and join me cook, make some food. We will decorate the house. Okay. Who are just joining me? Hello, Win. Welcome. Are you late to the show? Somebody's late to the show. We're just making a little baking on our griddle. Yeah, we just finishing. We just finished. Go ahead and watch it when I go. We're talking about our gas range, our oven. What was the question? I like how you ask your questions. No, we were just using the griddle on my stove. I can show you in a minute. Using the griddle, this one. This portion of my stove, I just used it in making baking and some eggs. I usually will just use the range when I'm here. Today we use the griddle. We use this part of the oven. Oh, the question from the other day. You don't forget things, right? I still will not tell you today, just because you made it late to class today. That question has been eating you up, I guess. I will tell you probably in my next video. Oh, no, it's not that serious. Don't worry. I have to run. Oh, you don't trust me? Okay. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Hello, everyone just joining. Kindly like the video for me. Share the video. Subscribe and help me grow. Oh, that's what I said the last time, that I didn't say I will tell you my next video. Next video can be the next and the next and the next. Okay, I'll tell you. I thought you were going to ask about my car, because you asked a lot of questions. I thought you would ask the car that I'm sitting in. Yeah. Oh, you were about to. You see, I know you. You were about to, really? Yeah. It's okay. Oh, yeah. I study you. I am in tune with my subscribers. You know, I'm in tune with you guys. I know your next questions before they come. See that color. Oh, you see? But you know me. Yeah, I do. I was like, when is he going to drop that question? I was like, okay. I think that was when I distracted you. So you were right there.